How to see all the videos, statues, posts you have ever shared on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see your history on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and now click on those three lines up there to get to this page and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now all you need to do is scroll down and click on your time on Facebook, and you have see your time to see how much time you are spending on Facebook and what you are doing with your time. Click on see time, and here you have activity log. Click on it, and like you see, you have the first one, which is your posts, videos, posts, text and status updates you have shared on Facebook. Click on it, and now click on photos and videos, posts from other apps or text updates, check notes and more. Click on the one you want to see, and this is it. They're gonna show you your history. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.